Hello everyone, this is Zishan from Zinteractive. Today I have brought you not one but two good news. The first one is that I am bringing a full detailed course of Substance Painter 2020 on 11th of October. Every 3D application like 3D Studio Max or Maya are really good in modeling. And when it comes to texturing and material, they can do a really good UVs. But texturizing any object directly, they are not that great in it. So Substance Painter is a tool that can help you with that. Substance Painter allows the artist to paint or texture or put materials directly on your meshes inside the application in real time, which will produce exciting and really great, powerful result. I will be covering all the features of Substance Painter in this detailed course, from basic level to the advanced level, and it will be 100% for free. I just need your support to increase my watch time hours. Please also like my videos. If you have any comments, leave the comments in the comment section below. And also, please, I need a lot of subscribers. So I need you all who have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to it and also click the bell icon. Over the time, Substance Painter 2020 has become industry standard software for texturing and applying materials. In my detailed course, you will learn all the important features of Substance Painter, and also you will learn a lot of new updates and new stuff that you can do with the Substance Painter. And after completing my Substance Painter 2020 full course, you will become great at texturing and applying material. And also, after practicing for a few times, you will become a professional texturing artist for sure. The second good news is the live session. I'm bringing the live sessions, and you can join my live sessions for courses like photography, Photoshop, Illustrator, advanced 3D modeling, basic 3D modelings, visual effects in After Effects, and many much more. You can find the timings, the schedule of my live sessions on YouTube in the description below and Facebook in the description above. So guys, what you're waiting for all these great stuff, please subscribe to my channel, click on the bell icon and watch all my videos from beginning to the end. And also please watch it online, don't download them, because I want all the watch time hours so that I can get motivated and I can bring more and more good news for you all. Okay guys, I want you all to subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends also, because it's all 100% free gain from my channel, and also it will benefit you all.